What is an ITIN, Individual Tax Identification Number? An Individual Tax Identification Number, or ITIN, is a 9-digit tax processing number issued by the Internal Revenue Service to individuals who are required for federal tax purposes to have a U.S. taxpayer identification number, but who do not have or are not eligible for a Social Security number from the Social Security Administration. Although its format is similar to that of a Social Security number, it is not a Social Security number. It is also important to recognize that an ITIN does not A. authorize an individual to work in the United States, B. change an individual's immigration status, C. provide eligibility for Social Security benefits, or D. qualify a dependent for earned income tax credit purposes. The ITIN is issued regardless of an individual's immigration status because both resident and non-resident aliens may have a U.S. filing or reporting requirement under the Internal Revenue Code. The ITIN does not serve any purpose other than federal tax reporting. The ITIN originated in 1996 when the U.S. Department of Treasury issued regulations that introduced the ITIN and required foreign persons to use an ITIN as their unique identification number on federal tax returns. The regulations were intended to address the concern by the IRS and the U.S. Department of Treasury that without a unique number, taxpayers could not be identified effectively and tax returns could not be processed efficiently. Please be advised that this video only provides a very brief overview of the IRS Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, with individuals being strongly advised to contact a knowledgeable professional or the Internal Revenue Service for specifics relative to their personal situation, with greater details being found at the Internal Revenue Service's website, as well as IRS publications, Understanding Your IRS Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, ITIN, and the IRS instructions for Form W-7. Thank you.